Hi, we're Ello, a drinkware company from Chicago who loves saying yes to new ideas and designing amazing products. It all started with a glass water bottle named Syndicate. Today, we sell all kinds of water bottles, plus travel mugs, kids products, reusable straws, and food storage containers. This year, we're launching something new. Ello is partnering with H2Open Doors, a nonprofit that installs solar-powered water filtration systems in communities with the least access to a safe water source. For every product purchase from our limited edition line, we're providing clean water to one person for a year. We've designed this line of 3 of our best-selling products with the goal of raising enough money to fund a community water system by the end of 2019. These water systems transform communities by providing improved health conditions, increased economic opportunity, and new job creation. It's easy to forget how much we rely on water. Whether it's for cooking, personal hygiene, even recreation. But around the world, more than 2 billion people lack access to clean water. When you buy an Ello H2Open Doors product, you're helping us work towards safe and affordable water access for all. Visit elloproducts.com/water.